Welcome to the $100,000 YouTube Blueprint. This video provides a step-by-step workflow to building a fully automated, faceless personal finance channel, requiring zero camera time and no complex editing skills. This high ROI blueprint leverages a premium evergreen niche for maximum profit. Why choose personal finance? There is massive demand as audiences seek relatable, jargon-free answers to everyday money problems. It also has a sky-high RPM, as finance advertisers pay premium rates for this demographic. Videos act as evergreen digital real estate, generating revenue for years. The power of sub-niching means not trying to cover all of finance. Instead, pick a specific, relatable angle and own it. Profitable segments of the same audience can be captured through distinct sub-niches, regardless of video length or posting frequency. Phase 1 is automated branding. Ask an AI for targeted channel names and psychologically optimized color palettes. Lock in 1 to 2 brand colors immediately. The goal is to use consistent colors across assets to build instant trust and perceived enterprise value. Securing visual assets can be done in 2 ways. Option A is DIY using Canva templates, keeping layouts simple. Option B is outsourcing to a designer on Fiverr for $20 to $50. Don't skip this step. A professional logo and banner are crucial for credibility in the finance space. Phase 2 is finding winning scripts. The strategy is not to guess what works, but to find the 3 most popular videos from your top competitor. The action is to copy their URLs. Our goal is to use AI to extract the structural DNA of these proven videos, focusing on pacing and retention hooks. Unlock the script structure using an AI tool like Poppy AI or Claude. The AI analyzes the transcripts of proven videos and maps out how the competitor retains attention. The result is a proven skeletal framework for your new video, including the hook, problem, and solution. For AI script generation, feed your unique video title into the AI, instructing it to use the extracted framework. The crucial step is to edit the raw output to refine the tone and inject human nuance. This advantage reduces scripting time from days to minutes. Phase 3 is studio voiceovers. ElevenLabs is the best-in-class tool for natural, human-sounding AI audio. Browse the English Voices library and select a calm, authoritative, and relatable tone. This is significantly cheaper and faster than hiring a human voiceover artist. To render the audio, first create a new audio project. Paste your refined script into the editor. Ensure your selected voice is active in the settings. Finally, export as a high-quality MP3 or WAV file. Phase 4, the editing machine. Editing a 10-minute animated finance video takes 3 to 5 hours, so consider buying back your time by hiring an editor. The golden rule is to only hire editors with proven faceless channel experience. Expect to pay $2 to $4 per edited minute. Phase 5 is high-click thumbnails. Rule 1. Keep it simple with one focal point, strong emotion, and minimal text. Rule 2. Provoke curiosity. Rule 3. Use consistent branding from Phase 1. Action. DIY in Canva or outsource on Fiverr for $5 to $10. The hook partnership means your thumbnail and video title must work together to confirm a promise to the viewer. A great video with a bad thumbnail gets 0 views. The thumbnail must visually assure the viewer that the video is exactly what the title promised. Phase 6 is the upload strategy. Analyze and match your competitor's upload frequency. But remember, quality over quantity. The secret is to nail the production system first, from script to thumbnail. Once quality is locked in, ramp up your publishing speed. Treat your channel like a business. You've built an input/output system, where money invested in software and freelancers yields ad revenue. Your role is the director, managing the tools and the team. Your next step is to pick your niche, lock in brand colors, and prompt AI for your first script.